Hi there, in this video I'll be highlighting how you can utilize playlists, folders, and your documents to be used in your forms. A common use case for this might be selecting certain documents to be present in your Toolbox talks so that your team can all view one specific document relevant to that week's work. So let's go through how to set this up. First, let's figure out what we're actually trying to connect here. For example, I've recently added a document to my resources page, and I want my team to be able to view it from their weekly Toolbox talk form. To connect it, we first need to make sure that the document is uploaded to resources. Then navigate to the forms page and select the pencil icon next to the form you want to connect it to. This opens up the form builder. Next, we'll add a question to the form by selecting the question button. The key step here is choosing the correct answer type. In this case, we select Selected Resource. Once we've selected Selected Resource, you'll have the option to connect an entire folder of resources, a playlist of resources, or a single document. In this case, we'll choose Document to link a single resource. Just select the document from the resource picker and click Add. Now when your team opens the form, they'll be prompted to view this specific document. There are some other ways of setting this up, so let's take a moment to explore the other options available. If we choose Folder instead of Single Document, our team will be prompted to select from all of the resources inside of a selected folder. This is useful for when you select an entire Toolbox Talk folder containing multiple training materials, so that instead of assigning one specific document, your team can choose the relevant document each week. Now let's talk about using playlists. The playlist option works similarly to playlists in iTunes or Spotify. It allows you to cycle through a sequence of documents each time the form is opened. To set up a playlist, first go to the Resources page and open the Playlists tab. Click New Playlist and either drag and drop files into it or select documents from your existing resource library to populate that playlist. Then arrange the documents in the order you want them to appear. Now when opening the form, the first resource in the sequence will appear. The next time the form is opened, the second document will be shown, and so on. Now you know how to connect your form templates with resources and playlists in SiteApp Pro. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@siteappro.com.